Water quality parameters and treatment. Water is perhaps the most precious natural resource after air. Though the surface of the earth is mostly consists of water, only a small part of it is usable, which makes this resource very limited. This precious and limited resource therefore must be used with prudence. As required for different purpose, the suitability of it must be checked before use. Also, the water must be monitored regularly to determine whether they are in sound health or not. Poor conditions of water bodies are not only the indicator of environmental degradation, threat to the ecosystem. In industries, improper quality of water may cause hazards, economic loss. Thus, the quality of water is very important in both environmental and economic aspects. Thus, water quality analysis is essential for using it in any purpose. Research water quality analysis is now consist of some standard protocols. Therefore, for sampling, preservation and analysis of the sample. वाटर क्वालिटी एनालिसिस क्या होती है, क्यों चाहिए, क्यों आवश्यक है? वाटर क्वालिटी इज़ टू मेजर द रिक्वायर्ड पैरामीटर्स ऑफ वाटर following standard methods to check whether they are in accordance with the standards. Why? Water quality analysis is required mainly for monitoring purpose. Importance of such assessment includes to check whether the water quality is in compliance with the standards and hence suitable or not for the designated use, to monitor the efficiency of a system working for water quality maintenance, to check whether upgradation change of an existing system is required, and to decide what change should takes place, to monitor whether water quality is in a compliance with rules and regulation. Water quality analysis is of extremely necessary in the sector of public health, especially drinking water and industrial use. Procedure of water quality analysis. The steps for water quality analysis in general are mentioned below. Number one is the selection of parameters. The parameters of water quality are selected entirely according to the need for the specific use of that water. Some examples are drinking as per a WHO CPCB standards, irrigation, pH conductivity, sodium potassium nutrients specific compounds, industries as per specific requirements, domestic consumption as per BIS standards, water bodies as per CPCB guidelines. Second is selection of methods. The method of water quality analysis are selected according to the requirements. The factors playing key role for the selection of methods are volume and number of samples to be analyzed, cost of analysis, precision required, promptness of the analysis as required. Third is precision and accuracy of methods selected as per requirement. What precision and accuracy to be maintained against a particular decided according to the objectives of the monitoring. The factors influencing precision includes budget of monitoring system, parameters to be monitored, and use of the water. नेक्स्ट इज प्रॉपर सैम्पलिंग. किस तरीके से उसकी सैम्पलिंग करी जाती है? प्रॉपर सैम्पलिंग इज़ वाइटल कंडीशंस फॉर करेक्ट measurements after quality parameters. Even if advanced techniques and sophisticated tools are used, parameters can give an incorrect image of the actual scenario due to improper sampling. The proper sampling should fulfill the following criteria. Representative. The data must represents the wastewater or water body being sampled, so the following factors must be well planned for proper sampling. ये process of sampling of size, volume, number of sampling, location, number of samples, types of samples, time intervals. Reproducible. The data obtained must be reproducible by others following the same sampling and analytical protocols. Defensible. Documentation must be available to validate the sampling procedures. The data must have a known degree of accuracy and precision. Next is useful. The data can be used to meet the objectives of the monitoring plan. Next is proper labeling. Proper labeling prevents sampling misidentification and ensure the responsibility and accountability of the collector. The sample container should be labeled properly, preferably by attaching an appropriately inscribed tag or label. Alternatively, the bottle can be labeled directly with a waterproof marker. Barcode labels are also available. Preservation. Usually, a delay occurs between the collection and analysis of a sample. The characteristics of a sample can be changed during this period. अब नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मैं आपको आगे डिस्कस करूँगी. ओके, थैंक यू.